Let's try another example, and now the series doesn't start at 1, it starts at n equals 4. And it is a geometric series, but we somehow have to reshape it to apply our formula. So there are two ways of approaching this. We can either use the formula as it stands, starting at n equals 1, and subtract the missing terms, or expand the series and rewrite it. The first approach is to calculate the sum from 1 to infinity of the given series and then subtract the missing terms here, which in this case is the first three terms for n equals 1, n equals 2, and n equals 3. And in this case we see that the a is 1 over 3 and the r is 2 over 3, so the sum of the full series from 1 to infinity is 1 over 3 over 1 minus 2 over 3, and then we subtract the sum of the three missing terms, a1, a2, and a3, and we get 1 minus 19 over 27, or 8 over 27. The other way to go about this is that even though this starts at 4, it's still a geometric series. We can rewrite the formula so that the sum starts at 1. Or an easier way is just to expand the series and identify the a and the r of the new series. So if we expand this series, we start with n equals 4, and the first term is 2 to the 3 over 3 to the 4. And then the second term is what we get when we plug in n equals 5, and it's 2 to the 4 over 3 to the 5, etc., etc. This is a geometric series, and we could rewrite the formula so that the n starts at 1 and goes all the way to infinity. But we don't really need to do that. We really just need to identify the a and the r. And so the a should be the first term on the right-hand side, and a times r should be the second term on the right-hand side. A is 2 cubed over 3 to the 4, and r is equal to the second term divided by the first, which is 2/3. So we should check if we expand the series, the sum from 1 to infinity of a times r to the n minus 1, with the a we've calculated and the r we've calculated, that we get the same expansion as we did for our given series. And this is indeed true, and so now we can just apply the formula directly for this a and r. The sum of the series we're looking at, the original series, is 2 to the 3 over 3 to the 4 over 1 minus r, which is 2 to the 3 over 3 to the 4 over 1 minus 2 over 3, which is 8 over 27. We get the same answer here.